Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a customized 2006 Kawasaki ZX10R Ninja. This bike's got a little over 32,000 miles on it and is in excellent condition. Got a lot of nice chrome highlights and has a lot of nice stuff done to it. So let's take our walk around. We'll show you some of the imperfections I've found on it, plus all the highlights. So as you can see, it comes with a custom windscreen, chromed mirrors. We will be putting a new front tire on this bike. Levers, grips, frame sliders, body panel kits, Muzzy exhaust, ton of chromed highlights, fender eliminator, stretched rear end. The rear tire's in great shape. It's got axle nut covers, stand spools, chrome chain guard, boot guards, tank pad, again frame sliders, bolts, levers, grips. So it was tipped over here on the left hand side, so we've got a little mark here on the edge of the tank and a little bit here on the lower fairing. But otherwise, like I said, the little bit of damage that's on this is very, very minimal. So alright, let's show you those miles. 32,188 is what's on it. This ZX10 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.